hidden in time. A past uncovered. So remarkably astounding, it almost seems untrue. Woolly mammoths, were they hunted for food? Were humans capable of such feats? Did we really play a role in their demise? Join me as we shed light on the mystery and journey back to the era of the mammoth. The woolly mammoth and its ancestors lived on Earth for 5 million years, and the huge beasts evolved and weathered several ice ages. They were not alone. Reindeer roamed alongside the mammoths. Humans lived with these animals for many years, but it is believed they played no huge role in their extinction. Although we had a hand in it, we cannot be fully credited with their extinction. Mammoths entered Europe around 3 million years ago. The word mammoth was first used in Europe during the early 17th century, when referring to mammoth tusks discovered in Siberia. 14 mammoth skeletal remains were discovered in Mexico, showing signs of trapping them in big housing areas. More than 800 bones were found in 2 large round pits. The folklore of some native peoples of Siberia, who would routinely find mammoth bones, and sometimes frozen mammoth bodies, in eroding river banks, had various interesting explanations for these finds. Among the Henty people of the Irtysh River basin, a belief existed that the mammoth was some kind of a water spirit. According to other Henty, the mammoth was a creature that lived underground, burrowing its tunnels as it went, and would die if it accidentally came to the surface. Woolly mammoths evolved a suite of adaptations for Arctic life, including morphological traits such as small ears and tails to minimize heat loss, a thick layer of subcutaneous fat, long thick fur, and numerous sebaceous glands for insulation, as well as a large brown fat hump-like deposit behind the neck that may have functioned as a heat source and fat reservoir during winter. The fat also allowed the mammoths to increase their muscle mass, allowing the mammoths to fight against enemies and live longer.